If you want to save time and make your email marketing run on autopilot, this tutorial is going to walk you through how to automate Mailchimp emails step by step. We're going to start by signing in, choosing the right automation template, customizing the trigger, building your welcome email, and then continuing through the point where Mailchimp may ask you to upgrade. I'll also explain what that means and what to do next so you're not stuck halfway through the process. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign in using your Mailchimp account credentials. If you already have an account, just enter your login details and head straight into your dashboard. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the automation setup inside an existing account. Now that you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where Mailchimp keeps most of its core tools. Click on Automations. Inside that section, you'll see an option called Flow Templates. Go ahead and select that. Flow templates are useful because they give you ready-made automation setups, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Next, browse through the available automation templates. Mailchimp gives you different options depending on the type of customer journey you want to create. For this example, choose Welcome New Contacts. This is the perfect starting point if you want every new subscriber to receive an automatic welcome email as soon as they join your list. Once you find it, click Use this flow to open the automation builder. At this point, Mailchimp will show you a visual flow editor. This is basically a map of your automation. You'll see the trigger that starts the sequence and the action that happens afterward. In a simple welcome automation, the trigger is usually sign up for email and the action is send email. That means when someone subscribes, Mailchimp automatically sends them your welcome message without you having to do anything manually. Now let's customize the trigger. Click on the sign up for email trigger in the flow. Here, you can adjust the trigger settings so the automation behaves exactly the way you want. You may see options such as including new subscribers only or optionally including imported contacts. Choose the setting that fits your workflow. If you only want people who sign up directly through your form to enter the automation, keep it limited to new subscribers. If you also want imported contacts to receive the email, you can include them too, depending on your plan and setup. Once you've checked the settings, click Save Trigger. After that, move to the Send Email step. This is where you build the actual welcome message your audience will receive. Click the email block to open the editing options. You'll be able to customize the sender name, sender email address, subject line, preview text, and the body of the email. This part matters because it sets the tone for your brand. Keep the subject line clear and friendly, make the preview text short and relevant, and write email content that welcomes the subscriber and tells them what to expect next. Use Mailchimp's email editor to design the email. You can add text, images, buttons, and branding elements so the message looks professional and matches your business style. If you want a stronger result, keep your welcome email simple, direct, and action-focused. For example, you could thank the subscriber, introduce your brand, and invite them to take the next step, such as visiting your website or checking out your best content. Now, here's the part many people run into. At some point, Mailchimp may ask you to upgrade to continue. This usually happens when the automation feature or certain parts of the flow are locked behind a paid plan. If you see that upgrade prompt, that means Mailchimp wants you to move to a plan that supports the automation tools you're trying to use. In that case, review the available plans, choose the one that matches your needs, and upgrade your account so you can continue building and running the flow. Once your plan is upgraded, return to the automation and continue where you left off. Recheck the trigger settings, make sure the welcome email is complete, and confirm that the flow is turned on or activated. Before you finish, always test the automation if Mailchimp gives you the option to do so. Testing helps you confirm that the email sends correctly and that the automation starts the way you expected, and that's it. You now know how to automate Mailchimp emails by choosing a template, setting up a welcome flow, customizing the trigger, building the email, and handling the upgrade step if Mailchimp requires it. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.